State Education Commission at the earliest possible.
Shillong's oldest college, the St. Edmund'S College, concluded its year-long centenary celebration here on Tuesday. The closing ceremony of the centenary celebration was graced by Archbishop of Shillong Diocese, Reverend Victor Lingdor. In his address, Reverend Lingdor said 100 years is not a sign of old age, but a beginning of a new journey, as he pointed out that in the past century, the college has remained strong and will continue to render its services to society. On the occasion, the Archbishop also released the cover of the Edmund'S Centenary Special Zone and the Centenary Edition magazines of the Economics and Physics Department. St. Edmund'S College had kicked off its centenary celebration on November 5th last year. The oldest college in the state was established in 1923.
From a deep personal relationship to God, the college must have gone through the various challenges in the past 100 years. But today it remains strong. 100 years is not a sign of old age, but rather it is an indication of maturity, experience, efficiency, and growth. On behalf of Shillong Archdiocese, I wish to express my sincere gratitude to the Blessed Edmund'S, the founder of the CFC congregation, and to all the members of the Congregation of Christian Brothers.
The Central